Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch washing machine, WAE 24369GB/27. Seems in good order, except it's missing the soap drawer and somebody's dropped it on the side there. I'm gonna check the filter down here and see what's going on. If I can. There we go. The screwdriver. If you were doing this inside, you could pull this hose out and drain it into something. It might be empty already. Let's see. No, it's not. So sometimes that little hose there gets blocked, and that could be what's happening, because it should drain down otherwise. So I'm outside, just let it fall on the ground, but if you're inside, you probably need a towel. There's not much in there, some snots of something. Looking in there, the pump looks pretty clean. Stick your finger in and give it a spin and see what it's like. That's as clean as you're going to get. And then screw it up until this tab here on top touches here. It won't go any further. This fellow here, in case you're interested, is a door override. So if for whatever reason it's stuck, you can pull that fellow down and it'll override the door interlock up there. Quick tip for you. Get it back together again. The hinges here just pop in. Just push in like that and that fellow snaps shut. This machine's seen better days, but that might help you, and if it does, let me know in the comments below. Think about becoming a member of the channel. Think about giving the video a like. Think about subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you later.